In this video, you will learn how to calculate mean values in Microsoft Excel. Currently, I have data about the vitamin D retention at different temperatures, and I have calculated mean values using this set of data. You can see here I have conducted this experiment 3 times, which are indicated by trial 1, trial 2 and trial 3. And by using this data, I have calculated the mean values. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. I will calculate the mean values of these 3 trials. Firstly, select the cell where you want to display the result of mean. For example, I am interested to display the result of mean in this cell, so I will click on this. Now put equal sign. It indicates that you are applying a formula. After that, write average. From here, double click on it and you can see here I have selected average. Now select the range of cells. For example, I am interested to calculate the mean of these 3 values. Click here. By dragging, select remaining cell. Now you can see here I have selected these 3 values. After selecting these 3 values, close the bracket. Now you can see here we have successfully applied the formula. After doing that, press enter and you have successfully calculated the mean values. Mean is simply the sum of these values divided by the number of these values. Now you don't need to apply this formula on individual rows. Excel has a useful function. For example, if I click this one and I want to apply this formula on remaining rows as well, I will place my cursor at the corner. When plus sign appear, drag it down for remaining rows. And now you can see here Excel has automatically applied the formula on the remaining rows. So by doing so, you can easily calculate mean in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.